Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Simone. Today I will be doing a fun tutorial on how I achieved this rainbow colored wig. This here is from my own personal brand, Tresses by Yasmine, where I specialize in affordable custom wigs. This is a 14-inch lace front wig from my Russian blonde collection. Here I am just taking each individual color and placing them in their own mixing bowl. That way it's just easier to apply. I'm using an array of Adore color stays. This last color is a Wella Charm color, and I'm going to use this color to tone the front of the wig to give it that nice ash blonde. Next, I'm going to just take the back half of the wig and I'm going to section it off, and each color is going to have its own section. So here I'm just going to be taking each individual color and just applying that color evenly throughout each section. Now that I have all of my vibrant colors applied to the back, I'm going to work my way to the front of the wig. Now here, this is where we're going to use the Wella Charm toner. I believe I'm using the color T15. This is going to give the wig, the front of the wig, that beautiful ash blonde look that you see. And when doing this step, you want to make sure you deposit the color evenly throughout each section, because your goal is to eliminate all of that yellow. It's to eliminate the yellow tone that's in the front, so you want to make sure you get each strand of hair. Here I'm just washing the color out. I did do the back separate from the front because I wasn't sure if the colors were going to bleed. They actually didn't, so if you do recreate this, you don't have to worry about dividing the hair by section. You could just rinse it all out together, but I wasn't sure of that initially, so that's why I did it this way. But yeah, here I'm just going to make sure I have all of the, you know, extra stuff out or whatever before I go in, wash, and condition the hair for styling. This is how the hair looks air dried. And then next I'm just going to go in and straighten the hair, and I'm going to cut it into a bob. I thought I cut it on camera, but I didn't. But I'm going to use this black flat iron comb, which works like a charm. I love it so much. And I'm going to be using my Babyliss Pro flat irons to straighten hair. Yeah. So, yep. There you go. And again, this hair is from my wig collection, Tresses by Yasmine, where I do specialize in creating affordable wigs. All of my wigs are handmade on a sewing machine, and I do use top quality hair. If you would like to purchase this wig, please just click the link in the description bar to purchase this wig, or just to order your own custom wig. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you would like to see more fun tutorials like this, please subscribe and show your girl some love, like, comment, all of that good stuff. Thank you guys so much.